Every dealer wants faster approvals and fewer headaches. The features you choose decide whether you get them. Here is how to set things up the smart way. First, know what good looks like. The features that matter most are AI credit scoring, automated document checks, fraud detection, and real-time tracking. Everything else is secondary. Second, make sure the platform works the way you do. Look for quick data integration, OCR, that reads your log cards, and secure identity checks. If setup takes hours of manual entry, it is the wrong tool. Third, switch on the features that protect you. Pre-screening flags risk before a file goes out. Fraud alerts catch anomalies early. Automated verification cuts the errors that slow everything down. Fourth, stay in control after go live. Watch your approval times. Review the audit trail. And when a case is rejected, use the appeals workflow for a second human review instead of starting from scratch. Get these 4 right, and an application can move from submission to decision in minutes. Your team spends less time on admin and more time closing deals. This is the kind of end-to-end workflow Xport is designed for. One submission, multiple financiers, and full visibility from application through to post-disbursement. The full step-by-step guide is linked below.